Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing access and data. Log in with your manager account and enable two-factor authentication. Once done, import a cleaned CSV with SKU, name, quantity, location, cost, and reorder points so the system has accurate base records. Make sure barcode scanners and label printers are online. Confirm network reliability to avoid interrupted syncs. You are not just setting tools, you are creating a single source of truth that the system will use for counting, ordering, and reporting. Once your base data is imported, configure physical locations and bin rules so receiving and picking are consistent. You then set reorder parameters, min/max, lead time, and a safety stock percentage to let the system suggest or auto-create purchase orders. Make sure to activate workflows for receiving, picking, transfers, and adjustments, and enable audit logging. This ensures every transaction has provenance. You can trace who changed quantities and why. Keep testing with a few SKUs to validate the behavior before scaling up. You go live by running a controlled pilot. Cycle count a subset of SKUs, reconcile differences, and lock final counts so opening balances are correct. Then enable live alerts for low stock, stalled orders, and sync failures so you see exceptions immediately. Once live, monitor queued integrations and audit logs for unexpected changes. If quantities mismatch, the quickest troubleshooting path is to verify SKU to bin mapping, user permissions, and any pending syncs. Those three usually explain most discrepancies and restore correct flows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.